just been cleaning the chickens out. It's clicking tuning time. Good. Here's my girls. Girls, say hello. Say hello, girls. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update about the 100k Alliance while I'm cleaning out the chickens. I've got eggs in my pocket, actually. Let me show you my eggs in my pocket. But I'm trying not to crack, because if they do, then I've got cracked egg in my pocket. I've got one in this pocket as well. Yeah, so Tricia has started promoting the 100k Alliance again, and straight out the gate, boom, she gets a, nope, stay in there, girls. She gets a $497 sale, followed by a $297 sale, followed by a $197 sale, which is just brilliant. So I reached out to her and I said, like, oh, you're promoting again? I said, you just got like 3 sales. And she was like, yay, which is brilliant. Yeah, it really is. And it's just been my daughter's 21st birthday. So as you can see, we've got some guff in the garden. I thought I'd just show you. But yeah, just a quick update to let you know that Tricia did that, and congrats to Tricia. You know, she's done thousands with the 100k Alliance. And don't forget that the 100k Alliance is all about set and forget. It's all about you literally setting it up and then letting it run, and then it just does its thing. You don't do any more work after that. You get someone else to do the work for you, and it just does its thing, and it does its thing incredibly well. I gave you an update just a few days ago about Max doing 16 sales in a day, and now Tricia's done $1,000 in a day. You know, this stuff works, and it doesn't take any work. So it's the perfect side hustle. And I've got my massive bonus bundle for you. So if you fancy jumping on board, having some set and forget, easy money, then go ahead, click the link below this video to get started, and I'll see you on the inside. All the best.